Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I thought I would bring you a video that I haven't really done in a while. I thought I would bring you guys a clean with me video. Honestly, it was very motivating for me to film this because I really needed to get my kitchen clean, and I thought I'd take you along. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kayla. I am a mother to one little girl who is almost a year and a half, and my fiance and I live in northern Minnesota, and we raise beef cattle. We both work full-time, all while trying to raise our daughter as well. So our life is pretty chaotic. Okay, so because you can see a great shot of our pizza on the counter there, I want to know in the comments below, what is your family's like go-to brand for pizza? So in our house, we probably do pizza night at least once a week, just because, like I said, we're crazy busy, and especially this time of year, Robert's not home till late in the evening, and I don't feel like cooking a giant meal for just Ava and I, and usually by the time we get home I need to like get her winding down, and I want to spend time with her and stuff, and I don't want to spend all my time in the kitchen. So yeah, we love Heggy's Pizza. I think it's a Minnesota based company, and then we love like the Aldi take and bake pizzas. The Walmart take and bake pizzas are pretty good. And then I really like these Pizza Corner pizzas that I've found that are from a company out of North Dakota, and I think I've shown them in a few grocery hauls before. So yeah, let me know in the comments, because we always want to try new brands of pizza. We love it in this house. anyone else's significant other a Tupperware hoarder? Robert usually takes the leftovers to work for lunch, and I usually make like a sandwich in a wrap kind of thing because I am trying to eat a little bit better, at least for breakfast and lunch most of the time. But I was going to put the pizza away and I literally had no containers, and Robert brought in this giant pile of them. Alright, you guys, excuse Ava screaming in the background. She's in a mood while I am trying to record this, but I hope you enjoyed today's clean with me. I have not uploaded a video that was of this realm in a while, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. It definitely gave me motivation to get stuff done. Hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!